Do you find yourself spending many hours every day worrying about something or other? Getting that worry out of your head can be really difficult. The worry tree is a very simple tool that can help stop you going over and over the same worry. In this video, I'm going to explain how a worry tree works, show you an example, and tell you what else you can do to stop worrying. Start the tree by writing down your worry. Next, ask if you can do something about that worry. Often worries can be about a hypothetical situation or something you have no control over. If the worry is about something hypothetical, let it go and change your focus of attention. I will talk more about how to do this later. If the worry isn't hypothetical, then the worry tree tells you to make an action plan. What can you do? When can you do it? And how? Here is an example of a worry that isn't hypothetical. Andrew is worried that he doesn't have enough money to pay his bills. This may seem difficult at first, but just write down as many ideas as you can think of and pick the best ones. Andrew comes up with the following ideas. To go through his bank statements to understand his outgoings. He can do this immediately. He notices that both his gas and electric seem very expensive. He also notices that his biggest outgoing is due to various loans. He realizes he can address his energy costs immediately by using a price comparison website. Sorting out his loans will take longer, so he makes an appointment with a debt restructuring charity to see if he is eligible for help. The next branch on the worry tree says to let the worry go and change your focus of attention. The actions that Andrew has taken made him feel back in control, which means he finds it easier to let the worry go and do something more productive. But then Andrew starts worrying about something else. He starts worrying that he will get COVID and die. It goes around and around in his head, driving him crazy. Now this worry is purely hypothetical, and other than getting vaccinated, which he already is, and wearing a mask, which he already does, there is not much more he can do. For hypothetical worries, the worry tree tells you to let it go and change focus of attention. But how do you do that? The best way is to go and do something that you enjoy, whether it be playing the guitar, going for a run, or simply making a cup of coffee. By doing something you enjoy, you signal to the anxious mind that the worry is not important, and it will send the negative thoughts driving the worry less frequently. Another technique you can use is worry postponement. Set aside a time to deliberately worry about whatever has been bothering you. This can work because you have promised your anxious brain that you will address the problem, but just a bit later. Use technology to remind you.
I'm reminding you. Worry about dying from COVID.
Now this may seem crazy, actually encouraging yourself to worry about something. But what often happens is that you're able to gain a much better perspective later on. This is because your frame of mind has changed. When you're in the middle of catastrophizing about a worry, you can't see this perspective. But when some time has passed, it doesn't seem half so bad. A word of warning. Don't confuse useful actions that you can take with reassurance-seeking actions, as they will only fuel the worry. For example, if Andrew had made an action plan to Google COVID symptoms, take his temperature twice a day, and take dozens of tests, that would just teach the brain that the worry is a real threat, and the brain would send the thoughts more often. If you find you are constantly seeking reassurance about your health, check out my health anxiety playlist.